The Durafit Ranger is the perfect treadmill for those who want to lose weight. It offers a range of programmable settings that are designed to work with a person's needs and goals while they exercise. The Durafit Ranger allows users to set up programs with their desired incline, speed, and distance. These programs range from walking to jogging, speed walking, and even running. Overall, the Durafit Ranger and Focus 7 HP Peak DC treadmill is an excellent choice for home use. Important features of this treadmill are 150 kg max user weight, PowerMax Fitness 150 kg motorized treadmill is a very well designed and innovative product from the house of PowerMax Fitness. Having been in the industry for more than a decade, this manufacturer has become known for its quality products. The same has been appreciated by millions of customers countrywide. They come with impressive features that make them an attractive buy. The PowerMax TDA 506 HP Peak treadmill supports a weight up to 150 kg and comes with a Peak Use 6 HP motor which can run efficiently for the entire time of exercise. Easy to install and free home installation and lifetime warranty. Also, it provides an excellent cardiovascular workout while allowing you to track your progress with the built-in exercise programs and heart rate monitor screen. This state-of-the-art fitness machine also has many other great features. Free home installation across India and service available. The brand will contact for installation within 48 hours of delivery. Free installation assistance at home visits or live videos will be provided within 3 to 5 days once the product is delivered. Durafit Royal 6 HP motorized treadmill is sturdy, comfortable, and easy to assemble. This premium treadmill offers you the perfect solution for your home gym, with a powerful motor and stylish design. This is an excellent option for users who want to monitor and control their weight. Key features of this product are 150 kg max user weight, 6 HP peak max capacity, maximum speed 20 km per hour, max weight support for walking 150 kg, weight support for running 120 kg, motor type is DC and 3.0 HP continuous 6.0 HP peak, auto inclination, foldable and movable. If you are looking to buy a 150 kg treadmill, then this one is the best treadmill in India. The built-in computer has a sizable 13 inches display that can connect with your Bluetooth device or play videos from an SD card. It also has a remote control for speed, incline, time, distance, and calories burned. This feature makes it possible to program workouts most efficiently. Free home installation across Pan-India and free service available in all 100 smart cities of India. The Durafit Royal DC motorized treadmill is a sturdy semi-commercial treadmill. Its 3 horsepower motor gives it a 6 HP peak output and a top speed of 20 km per hour. It has a weight capacity of 150 kg for walkers and 120 kg for runners.